Hi, I'm Kasper, CEO of Skaarhoj. We are at NAB 2024, and one of the highlights this year is our integration with Riedel Smartpanels. All over the globe, in OB trucks, master control rooms, etc., you'll find intercom panels from Riedel, and what you may not know is that they can be set up as a generic interface to control other things. They are basically now able to tap into the vast universe of Skaarhoj device control. So any of these knobs and rotary encoders can now control settings on cameras, on video switches, on routers through a Skaarhoj Blue Pill integration. So it works the way that you can have your intercom control here on one of these banks, and then when you enter the control section down here, you see these settings. And they come out of a Blue Pill in our booth. I think it's this one that's driving it. And it's connected to this Panasonic camera over here. So right now we have made an example of a PDC camera control interface. We can pick our camera, we can recall presets, so you'll see the camera is moving as I'm recalling presets from this intercom panel from Riedel. And over here we have menu selection where as I go through these, the knobs and lever keys up here adapt to the menu I selected, and now I can change settings such as gain and white balance and exposure settings, etc. So it's like full control. The kind of control you used to have on Skaarhoj panels is now also available on this Riedel panel, and all it requires is that you have a Riedel panel and that you buy the software licenses that will unlock this. So that's one of the highlights here at NAB 2024 from Skaarhoj.